How to put pictures in TikTok comments. If any of you are a TikTok user and you want to put pictures on your TikTok comments, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch TikTok on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, tap on TikTok for a while, and this way your TikTok will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you can see the home interface like this. Now you have to go to the profile section on your TikTok. For that, you have to tap on the down right corner on your profile section. After you go to the down right corner on your profile section, you can see a profile there. Now you can tap on any of the videos in which you want to post a picture on the comment section too. You can tap on any of those videos there and you can go to the comment section of the videos and then tap on the comment section of the videos. After that, you can see the various comments on your very videos. Now you can tap on any of one of the comment there and go to the option of reply. After you go to the option of reply, you can see an interface like this. Now you can see the red kind of button out there. Now tap on the red kind of button out there, and when you tap on the red kind of button out there, you can see a screen like this. Now you have the option of the videos, photo and text. Now you have to go to the option of the photo. After you go to the option of photos, you can choose any of the photo from your camera roll out there to put there. For example, I just tapped on this very video or the photo. And then after you tap on the very photo there, you have to go to the option of the select. And after that, go to the option of the next. And this way, after you go to the option of next, your very photo or the very picture will be very posted on the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. And if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.